Good evening, students. Today we are going to study one of the most important chapters of Indian history, that is the Vijayanagara Empire. We know that Vijayanagara Empire was situated on the Deccan area of India, which is now in the state of Karnataka. The Vijayanagara Empire was established by two brothers of the five brothers, that is Harihara I and Bukkaraya I. We have to know at first that the establishment of this empire, that is 1336 CE to 1646 CE. Before going to in details of this empire, we have to know the small history behind the foundation of this empire. So these two brothers, that is Harihara I and Bukkaraya I, was the two officials of the Kampilla dynasty and the Kakatiya dynasty of the Deccan Empire. But when the Delhi Sultanates attacked this empire, they were converted to Islam and were taken to Delhi. But after some years, they were again sent back to the Deccan area and were told to convince people to take Islam as their religion. But most of the people were not willing to take Islam as their religion. So by saying this, the two brothers thought that they would reconvert themselves to Hinduism and would establish a Hindu empire, that is we know today the Vijayanagara Empire. The dynasty was based on the southern part of the Tungabhadra river. The capital of this dynasty was at Hampi, which is now the UNESCO World Heritage Site. The most important ruler of this dynasty is Krishnadeva of Taluva dynasty. So we know that the Vijayanagara Empire consisted of four important dynasties, that is the Sangama dynasty, the Saluva dynasty, the Taluva dynasty and the Araviru dynasty. So Krishnadeva belonged to the Taluva dynasty. Vijayanagara dynasty patronized art and literature in Kannada, Telugu, Tamil and Sanskrit languages. Notable architecture were Virupaksha temple, Mallikaranjan temple and Venkateshwara temple and so on. Many foreign travelers visited the Vijayanagara Empire and some of them were Ibn Battuta, Niccolo di Conti, Abdul Razak, Nikitin, Demego Paez, Marco Polo and so on. The currency of the Vijayanagara Empire was gold pagoda or varaha. Now we come to the very end of this empire, that is the downfall of this empire was caused in the Battle of Talikota in the year 1565 CE by the joint military attack of the five Deccan Sultanates, that is Ahmednagar, Berar, Bidar, Bijapur and Golconda, which was collectively known as the Bahmani kingdoms. So students, thank you for your kind attention and have a great day.